What is up, guys? If you're like me and don't want to have a whole Hollywood studio set up just for lighting to film these kinds of videos, this video is for you. We'll be unboxing today the Litemons from Godox. This is their LE300Bi. This thing is awesome. It packs a punch, 300 watts as the name suggests. It is a bi-color, so it goes from white to warm. It does not have RGB in it. They do have other models that do include that, and this is a balance mount light. It does not come with one, but I did have one from my Zhiyun G60 that I do use all the time, so I can just easily pop this on there and use it for that. But this video, it doesn't cater to pros or anything like that. This is just for the everyday person. Yes, we are creators, but we don't care about the full specs, this and that. We just want to see how it works, how it functions, and how another creator like myself uses it. So I'll keep the specs super basic because most people don't care about numbers. They care about results. Now, I have a G60 or a Zhiyun G60 Molus, which is what I use most of the time. And that fan is loud. You might even hear it now, but the fan on the Godox is extremely quiet. So, as far as controls go, once you have your AC input plugged in, just go straight to the outlet. You also have a DMX out, DMX in. You have here, this is your power. So you go ahead and turn it on. Once it's on, it's on. It's quite instant, honestly. You have your knob here, which you can rotate, and that will allow you to adjust the brightness. If you were to press it and then adjust this, that adjusts your Kelvin, so 6500 Kelvin, all the way down to 2800 Kelvin. You can see how warm it got. And then you've got your modes here. Go into your bedroom or your menu. You have your DMX, Bluetooth on, fans on automatic, displays at 80% from factory. Language is English. You have your version, factory reset, etc. You would press and hold the Bluetooth button to reset it. We're not going to do that now, but we will hop into the app and show you how that works. So within the app, the app is Godox Lite. That's what you're going to download. We're going to go ahead and zoom this out here. I just want to show you the features of how it looks. So we're zoomed out on the app. We can adjust the brightness, as you can see there. You can tap into it. You can adjust here the Kelvin as well, or it has some preset ones: 3200, 4300, 5600, and 6500. You can also just go into FX, and then you have your HSI, which we don't have that on here. It is so you can use it onto your other lamps. But we'll go to CCT, bring this all up. You have your SOS. You have a welding feature, so if you want to have some welding shots, but you want it to amplify it in the background, you can do this. You have an explosion, you have fireworks. And another cool thing is that you can adjust the interval or the speed of the effect. You have a fire. So if you're doing a summer fire, let me just go ahead and lower this down so you can see the effect better. You have a candle effect. TV effect. So if you want to showcase a shot where the viewer's looking at a TV, you can do that. A broken bulb. You want to make it look like it's cloudy outside. This will actually dim itself and brighten itself, like if you had clouds passing in front of the sun. Lightning. And then if you want to showcase like a camera flash, like you're trying to do a paparazzi scene, etc., you have that option as well. So that was a quick tutorial on the Godox Litemons LE300Bi. Overall, I am excited to continue using it to do my top-down setups. This light, I will probably have it permanently set up somewhere here where I want to document all of my videos, or have it where my headshot will primarily be, just because it's a bigger light. I don't want to keep lugging it around. If you have any questions, guys, like always, please comment down below. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe to it as well, and give me that thumbs up.